Let's start. Another written source is Press Trust of India, PTI. It's one of prominent Indian news agency. Before learn PTI, let us know Indian news agencies. News agencies around the world provide news to different newspapers. Before independence, Reuters provides news to newspapers. Reuters means London's international news agency. However, after independence, we form our own news agencies and they give authentic and reliable news. Prominent among them are 1. Press Trust of India, established 1910. 2nd. United News of India, UNI. 3rd. Samachar Bharati. 4th. Hindustan Samachar. Now, let's see. I am going to read para. Please give concentration. After 1953, the Press Trust of India has been an important source of primary details of all important events and of articles on important subjects. Press Trust of India has provided reports, photographs, and articles on financial and scientific issues to newspapers. PTI has now started its online service. During 1990s, PTI started using the satellite broadcast technology instead of teleprinters to send news all over the country. This material is important for writing the history of modern India. Now let's see the explanation of PTI. The Press Trust of India, PTI, is the primary source of information to the newspapers in India since 1953. It provides reports, photographs, and articles on many issues to the newspaper. It has replaced teleprinters by satellite broadcast in 1990. Now it has also started online service. Now let's see several institutions, movements, for example, labor movements, etc., publish their newsletters. Political parties publish their dailies or weeklies as well as monthly and annual magazines. These magazines are important sources of history. Then what do you mean newsletters? Institutions, political parties and movements publish newsletters and periodicals. People come to know about their objectives, plans, and work through these newsletters. Some newsletters serve as mouthpiece that depict the work done by the political party. Newsletters also provide information about policies, opinions on different issues related to party or institution. Now let's see the new chapter, that is Do You Know? Page number 2. Among the print media, the information content in the annual issues of the publication division of Government of India is authentic and trustworthy. For example, the Information and Broadcasting Department publish India 2000, an annual reference book. This reference book is created under Research, Reference and Training Department. It contains useful information about the land, its people, national emblems, political system, defense, education, cultural events, and account of the development in the field of science and technology. Environment, health and family welfare, social welfare, media of mass communications, along with basic data related to economics, finance, planning, agriculture, water conservation, rural development, food and civil supplies, energy, industries, trade and commerce, transport, communication, labor, housing laws and status, youth and sports departments, etc. It is possible for us to write history with the help of such information. For more information, we can visit the website www.publicationsdivision.nic.in. Now let's see the explanation of India 2000. See, research, Reference and Training Department in the Information and Broadcasting Department of Indian